warming anymore. But you see it, for instance, like when I first started this 5 years ago, we used to plant eggplants in February, right? Because that's when you plant eggplants in Florida, February. Now, eggplants started to thrive in June. So, the way certain plants grow and when they start producing, it's an indication that our climate is getting warmer and it's becoming more tropical.
And you know,
like Bahamas and Cuba, you know. And then look at all the flowers. For a plant that's supposed to be dying right now, look at all the flowers.
these are all the flowers that are coming in.
And then the bees are gonna come in. Since the bees
Pollinate
came
it.
back, the bees are gonna come in and pollinate all this. So we're gonna have X amount of eggplants. This one just got pollinated, and it's gonna bust off. So
I mean, you know what?
there should not be this much eggplant on these vines. Put it down. A lot of eggplant.
Look at that. They're all over the place.
Here, Drigo, here.
Zoom in on that one over there.
I'm gonna pop it off and give it to Drigo, folks. No, don't pop that one off. That one is still too young. Take this one right here from Daddy. Okay, there you go. There, go give it to Drigo. Hold it up to the camera. Eggplant.
I mean,
Black beauty eggplant.
it's amazing to me how they could say, that global warming doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And then summer is like, for instance, the kale. You see this curly kale? It's dying now. But if you plant it in certain areas, it's gonna grow. And this curly kale is supposed to be done now. But all of our kale is doing well. You know?
Yeah.
Because we're getting these rains that we never got in May before. We used to get these rains in April. Right? Now it's May, April showers. But now it's May showers.
I mean, look at these scales.
Come
And
inside.